Hello and welcome to another video. Do you also have a sport sedan like this one, a sport wagon? And you know what the problem is in the back? You have this window here, but there's no rear window wiper blade. Yeah, stupid me, of course I should have known when I got this Tesla Model 3 Performance that it didn't have one. But yeah, it kind of surprised me. And I've noticed that despite the aerodynamical design, it stays dirty. So in this video I'll show you a trick how you can keep your rear window, where the rear wiper blade is not present, cleaner longer, and also for the cameras. Here we go, los geht's. The first thing you need to do is make sure you clean the window well. So for that just use your window wiper spray. I have this nice foam, I really like it. It's from this brand called Liqui Moly from Deutschland. I have a couple of products from them. Not sponsored, I really like it. So use this and then wait for a few minutes for it to dry and then wipe it clean. But I have the feeling that one pass with the foam cleans so good. This foam for some reason just clings on the window. I'm very happy with that. So now I'll show you the secret how you can keep this cleaner longer. The key is to get a ceramic detailer. So I have this one from Turtle Wax because I have good results with it. You can get also any other brand. But the ceramic leaves a very strong layer of protection on the window. And the way this window was designed, because the aerodynamics, that the water of course in the dirt would slide off. But this with this additional layer is even more hydrophobic. And will make sure that also the dirt cannot cling to this window. So you just need a couple of sprays. Shake the product first. And then spray the back a little bit. This is also cleaner. So that's enough. And then you just leave it for, let's say, 1 minute, and then you'll wipe it off. Don't use this on the front window because it can cause streaking, especially with the wiper blade. So only here, and then I'll show you the next. You get a clean microfiber towel and you just wipe it over the window like this. Sehr schön. It smells really nice. Also this Turtle Wax. Let me know what's your favorite brand. For some reason I keep on going back to Turtle Wax because yeah, it's affordable and it just works good. But I think also Zonax has really good ones and McGuire's for this. So you just wipe it like this. Don't go on the paint or anything. And then just let it dry. And I can't show it to you now, but I can guarantee you based on personal experience that it stays cleaner longer. And since you only need a few sprays to get this done, it's very economical and very effective for your car, especially if you don't have a rear wiper blade. You can also put this on the cameras. Let's say here if you have a rear view camera, like here on the Tesla here, you just put a bit on the camera. And then also this stays cleaner longer. Sehr schön. And then look how nice already this beats on the car. And then once you start driving, this will just fly off, including the dirt. Sehr schön. I hope you found it a useful video. Let me know in the comments if you've tried it. And I hope to see you again in my next videos. Auf Wiedersehen.